Testing. Testing. Let me check this one time schnell. Testing. Testing. Oops. Testing. Oops. Testing. 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 So let's try one more time testing. So let's try one more time testing. So let's okay. Testing. Okay. Let's make this public. Let's make this public. Okay. Okay. Do I have everything that I need? Do I have everything that I need? Oh, come on. Again, this echo. Again, this echo. Again, this echo. Again, this echo. Testing. 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 God damn it. God damn it. Testing 1, 2. Testing 1, 2. Testing 1, 2. Photos, Martin. Testing. So, no more echo. Okay. 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 No. Still there. Okay. No. Still there. So, now testing. Okay, finally. So, as the title suggests, I forgot my password and I don't know how to get it back because I suck at Linux. No. First, I will try everything that crossed my mind. All the passwords that I know that I use. I mean, I tried this already and no luck until now, but still. We'll just give it one more try. Now, if you all have any suggestions, what can I do to recover, please let me know. Okay. And let's start with Google. I cannot start sudo because, by the way, how is that to type clipboard text? Okay, let's try. The problem is when I try, it doesn't work because I still need the password for the terminal also. Okay. Hi there. Now I saw your comment. Yeah, I don't know if it's bad. The problem is that it's in virtual machine. I cannot boot it normally. I mean, I can run. I can run Linux, but if I want to make the update or anything else, I need the password, and I really don't remember. And because I'm not that well in Linux, I also don't know how to do it. So mostly I have to Google. Yeah, I don't have important files, but I have it already set and everything. I just want to. I really don't want to start all over to install it all over again. Not that it takes very long, but I prefer to find the password than to do it all over again. They also say that there is one thing that you can do and to enter in GRUB, but I don't know how to enter in GRUB from virtual machine. When I try it with the shift key, it just doesn't work. Brings me immediately back. So I guess I have to figure out how to enter in GRUB without in virtual machine. It sucks. It sucks when you don't know stuff. But honestly, in this day and age, there is a solution online. There is a solution for everything. You just need to find it. And hold down the shift key, but I cannot hold down shift key. Welcome. Hi there. I hope it worked because a lot of people don't manage. Oops. God damn it, but here doesn't work the shift key. Everybody says about the shift key, but I cannot make in virtual machine. I cannot use the shift key in virtual machine. Or at least I'm too stupid for it. I tried them both. Right shift and left. Oh god. Jesus fuck. Come on, what was the password? Try escape instead? What? Let's see. Let's see. Oh, okay. Hmm. No, no, no. Let me make this from the beginning. Um, Restart and hold E. Okay. So now I cannot use that. This doesn't work either. So if I press legacy password, Yeah, but that's the problem. Even when I enter in the GRUB menu, it doesn't look how it should, how I know it. I don't know. Connect. And okay. So I guess we are on the right path. So E, good. Okay. Now let me find the other. So reset Linux mint password. How was it? Hold up, let me check the other way. This one. Okay. I guess we are on the right track right now. So basically, I guess first time I held the E key, no, the escape way too long, and that's why I didn't get the normal grub to win menu. But now that I have the grub to win menu, I the way I did it, I pressed a few times escape and not just fast, like spamming the escape key. I just pressed 1, 2, 3, 4, like 1 second long and slowly. Not long hold, because this brought me in the previous menu, which was not good. And also not fast spamming the escape key, because this would have brought me again in that position. But now that I tried 1, 2, 3, like 1 second long holds and 1 second distance in between, it brought me in the right layout. And then I pressed the E key and brought me here. And now I will follow the instructions from here. So now I have to scroll down using the arrow key until you get the line beginning with Linux. This line. So let's try this. Doesn't look like the same one, or? Mm-hmm. Quiet here. So navigate here. And I have to add Can I use clipboard? This would be easier. Let's see. Okay, so it works. That's it? I don't think so. Let's try F10. Mhm. Okay. Let's just go again with clipboard. No. This. New password. Okay. Okay. So let's try. That's it. So Control Alt Delete. Hold up. I hope so. I hope I did it. No, the Control Alt Delete doesn't work. Let me try with F10 again. No. Do I have to save it or not? Hold up. Hold up a second. Okay, so press Control Alt Delete to exit and reboot. You can now log in. Okay, so this has nothing to do with. Then let me just reset the virtual machine and then let's see. Turn off, connect. Let's see. Monitor. Okay, now let's check, you know. What? What the? Hold up a second. It clearly said that the password was set. No, I used just numbers. I didn't use caps lock, letters, anything. So okay, then let me try this again, and this time I will use a password with letters or something. Okay, so it was E. I need those. I need those commands again. So let's see again. Here. And okay. F10. Good. So password root. New password. So caps lock is off. Let me try here one time. So on, off, off. Okay. Password updated successfully. Okay. Wait, is Control Alt Delete. This doesn't work. Doesn't work, but anyway, it says password updated successfully. Hi there, Master Give 70. Have any ideas? Hmm. It's a Linux Mint. It's a Linux Mint. I followed all the steps to change the password in the root password with grub in grub, but when I restart, it just doesn't work. And this is my second attempt now. Does exit works in Linux? I don't know, I just typed, but does this actually work? I thought that this works just in command prompt. But I mean, it's stuck now, so it must have done something. I will just give it a restart. I'll just turn it off and connect it again. Let's see. I was thinking right now what password I put. I almost forgot the password that I just put. So it doesn't work. Come on. Oh, for fuck's sake. Hmm. Forgot to press E. Escape. Okay, and now what? The second one, recovery mode. Yeah, I'm trying. I just everything is. Yeah, wait a second. Let me. Yeah, I cannot switch now. So this one dropped root shell. There is not. Hold up. So wait a second. Wait a second. Wait a second. So I put the password in, and this time the password works. So this was the root password, but not the password that I needed. Mm-hmm. New password. Okay, so let's try one more time. Hold up. You sure? Okay. Retype new password. like this. Password wacko. New password. Let's see. Okay. So that was it. I hope this works now, or? Okay. Let's try. Yes. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Thanks a lot. Finally. You can also start. Yeah, what's the problem now? Come on now. Now I have connection issues, all of us. No, it works. Okay. Well, thank you very much. I will make sure when I make from this entire thing, when I make a video, I will make sure to include your help, because you guys help me really good right now. Yeah, learning Linux is really one of those things that I always wanted to do, but I never. Not to say that I never got the time. I also never got the motivation to learn it. I just learned what I needed. For example, I stuck to the things that I needed to do for Chrome OS and everything, but not more to really run, because I thought a bunch of times switching from Windows to Linux, but I guess it's just not my thing. I guess I'm used to way too much to Windows I really don't see myself switching from Windows. Not now, and I guess not ever. I guess it's just too much in me to Windows is, I guess, the only operating system that will stay with me. Maybe it's unfortunately, but I don't know. I really don't see myself switching to Linux. No matter how many times I tried, no matter how much I checked in other type of distros, not just Linux Mint, even that Linux Mint seems the easiest way to go. It just is, I don't know, not for me. Yes, I know about this also. I know, but I I honestly I don't even I remembered now. I remember today this morning that I had this VM, this image somewhere on an external hard drive, and I wanted to put it just to have it just in case, because I have a Windows 11 virtual machine. Of course, the host runs on Windows 11, but I wanted to have just in case also a Linux distro as a virtual machine. And I remember that I had this already set, and it was with everything. And I just wanted to use this one, not to bother with WSL2 and stuff like this. Okay, so NordVPN had some issues. Let me try this one here. That's the thing. There is no reason. I guess it's more of the what you hear others talking, you know? This more experienced people, why don't you switch? They are always like, nah, I'm not showing. This was genuinely, I didn't know how to recover the password, and I did it now with the help of the chat. They helped me to recover the password because I didn't know how to do it. And I was Googling, and they also helped me. There was not a tutorial or something like this. I generally had a problem with I didn't remember my password, my old password, and now in this live stream I try to recover. Yeah, ChatGPT. Honestly, it's too much bother to ask ChatGPT. I have it here on the phone, I have it on the PC, but I guess the good old-fashioned way of Googling and asking people for help is way better. Yeah, I know. Hold up a second. I want to answer to you to the question of switching to Linux. Yeah, I thought a lot of times of switching because back then, now, since I have the PC, I don't bother anymore. But when I was on the laptop, I had 3 laptops before I got this PC. And, on the laptop is always room for improvements so that you can make it faster, snappier, to work better. And I always thought that a lighter operating system, like a Linux, would be better instead of Windows, because from there, from a laptop, you try to squeeze every bit of power that you can so that so that you have a better experience. And that was my main reason why I wanted to switch to Linux. That's why I also went in this Windows modded, but honestly, I was never 100% comfortable to use modded Windows. Like Ghost Spectre, even if I use Ghost Spectre for half a year, or Tiny 11 or any others, I was never safe. I never felt 100% safe and inside me to use modded Windows. And then my second thing was like, maybe I should use Linux instead. But then I didn't have this thing in me to really learn Linux, and that's why I stuck with Windows. Yeah, we are done with the password, bro. No. No is your just no. Okay, we are done. We figured it out. So the password is now changed. Well, depends now. Depends now. If you have an old laptop, like a 10-year, 11-year-old laptop, yeah, on a thing like this, I will definitely install a modded Windows. Okay, because you will not do something crucial with a 10, 12-year-old laptop. And then I would say yes, I install Windows 10 Ghost Spectre or Windows 11 Ghost Spectre. But I would not use it on my main PC, for example. Yeah, I know what you mean with never use, and this is something that I also said in all of my Windows 11 modded Windows 11 or Windows 10 videos. Every time when I made, if you install it at your own risk, and yeah, what's going on here? I will check this later. If you install a modded Windows 11, you install it at your own risk. But you know, yeah, but not many people have this knowledge about LTSC, and it's also a thing of the media. You know, everybody is talking about Ghost Spectre, or especially Tiny 11. When Tiny 11, remember when Tiny 11 got, everybody was talking about it, and yeah, like this, people learn about it. If you ask somebody what is LTSC, they have no idea. But if you ask them what's Tiny 11, everybody knows, you know, and everybody wants. But honestly, no, I would not. That's why I was thinking, instead of using a modded Windows, I should, back then when I had the laptop, I would better switch to Linux. But like I said, I really didn't have it in me to switch. Plus, I guess I like Windows a little too much to switch. I'm way used to it. Damn, I use it my entire life, and I guess I will never feel 100% comfortable of just switching to Linux. That's why to have it in a virtual machine is something totally different than switching completely to it. Hold up a second. So I was talking a little way too much here about why that I really didn't read the chat that good. Yeah, like I said, bro, no. I'm done with the password finally, and yeah. Yeah, what you have now, what you use now. And with 4 gigs of RAM, I don't know, that's really... Go Spectre 10. No. Well, talk with Insaniac, because he says no. You should not do this. You should install LTSC. And by the way, I would have said Gold Spectre 10, but I would also have said you install it at your own risk. Or Linux. Linux Mint, Zorin OS, Chrome OS Flex, if you like it. Those are also very, very good for low end. Chrome OS Flex, you can also, even if I know that I trashed Chrome OS Flex a lot in the past, especially when it appeared, because it didn't have Play Store as I wished to have, because I was at that time way too much in videos about Chrome OS with Play Store, and then the, Chrome OS Flex dropped and didn't have Play Store, made me really mad. But I do admit that it's a good alternative for... Yeah, this is what I mean also. I just cannot give up Windows. No matter what for a system, what for specs I would have, I could really never give up Windows. So in this scenario, yes, I would say if I would be you and I would have this system, I would use Go Spectre 10 also, because I guess it will run really good on it. But again, this is what I would do. I would never tell to someone to install a modded Windows 11 or 10. Oops. Insaniac, and you asked me earlier, I don't know if you're still here in chat, but you were asking me something about Opera GX. So if it's sponsored, no. No, it's not sponsored. I just use it. To be fair, I don't even use Opera GX. I use Opera GX just when I stream. When I need to check something on stream, then I use Opera GX. Totally different from my browser of choice. And my browser of choice, it's something that everybody would hate. And I guess you can see here in my taskbar, I have two browsers. One is Opera and the other one is Edge. Edgy. And I know nobody would agree with me to use Edge, but yes, I am, as my main browser, I am using Edge. I don't have Copilot. I took out Copilot. I don't use it. I use Edge as a personal browser. I use Opera when I check something for streaming. And in my other virtual machine, I have Brave. But as for me, the reason that I switched to Edge and not to Opera, it's very, honestly, it's very simple. It's very simple, actually. Edge has auto-translate, yes? Because I live in Germany, there is a lot of mix-up with the translation. For example, Opera doesn't have an automatic translation. Opera, you have to add extensions, and the extensions are really bad when it comes to translate. Even if you install, it doesn't automatically translate the entire page, and this is really annoying, especially for me. Sorry. But while Edge works exactly like Chrome, No, I know, Firefox, I don't like it either. Honestly, the only two good ones that are for what I need is this one, Chrome and Edge. They work very good. And also not just this, but you see here this icon here down, this is YouTube Studio. And this I can install it just if I have Chrome. I can install it as a standalone just if I have Chrome or Edge. I cannot make it with Opera, I cannot make it with something else. This and the translation. These are the only two reasons why I use Edge and not something else like Brave or Opera or Firefox and something else. That's it. And I choose Edge instead of Chrome because Chrome usually really lagged my older laptop. I used to have Chrome, but it was so heavy on my other laptop because in the moment when I installed it, it just ran, I guess, 50% faster. And I was like, what the fuck is this, you know? I could not believe that Chrome really lagged my laptop so bad. And then I switched to Edge. Edge runs very smooth, and I don't know, it had everything that I needed, and now I stuck with it. And I have it also on my phone as a main browser, and it works very good. Yeah. You use Edge on the phone also? Honestly, I like how well you can this connection between browser from the PC, from the laptop, and from the phone is. It's very fluid, very easy to use, very easy to transfer files. Yes, it has a very good UI. I like it, and it's very, I don't know, easy to understand, easy to use, and is I you don't have to scratch your head too much to make it run how you want, and also to understand it. And it's very compatible with your PC. You can transfer file fast. You can share links immediately. Is really and not just this. You can also transfer. For example, you're watching something or reading something here. You can immediately share it on your PC or vice versa. And it's just I miss the word right now. What's the word? Very compatible. Very I don't know. But honestly, I thought that I was the only one who does this. I didn't expect it to find another one, and not on my stream. It's definitely not the command that I copy. What's going on here? Oh, they make it by the hand. Come on. Which one is the dash? This one. Okay. take a small break. In fact, I will not take a small break. I guess I will end the stream right now because I did what I needed to do in this stream. I started it with I forgot my password, and now the password is recovered thanks to you guys, which I appreciate. And I will also will not forget to mention this when I will publish this as a video. And thank you very much for keeping the chat alive. I like that we had a discussion about Windows and distros and everything. I really hope to continue like this in the next streams. I'm also thinking, I'm planning to make soon, I guess tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, a stream about data recovery and why I think that paid data recovery is a scam. And I know that this is something from someone who made so many videos about paid data recovery. But I will also explain why I think this, even if I made these videos, because a lot of time has passed since then. And yeah, thank you very much for coming and for helping me, and see you in the next stream. Cheers. Bye.